Potential alliance between Telugu Desam Party and Bharatiya Janata Party. Telugu Desam Party President N Chandrababu Naidu held talks with Home Minister Amit Shah and Bharatiya Janata Party President JP Nadda on Thursday, rekindling speculation about a potential alliance between the two parties for the upcoming Lok Sabha and Assembly elections in Andhra Pradesh. This meeting marks the second such interaction between Mr. Naidu and Mr. Shah in as many months. Another round of talks between Telugu Desam Party and Bharatiya Janata Party will take place in Delhi today, while an official announcement regarding the alliance is anticipated within the next day or two. The Telugu Desam Party was a crucial part of the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance (NDA) until 2018, when Mr. Naidu, then the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, decided to exit over concerns regarding financial support for the state. Now, as elections loom on the horizon, both parties appear open to the idea of joining forces, provided they can reach a mutually agreeable seat-sharing arrangement. According to sources, the key focus of the discussions revolved around the potential alliance and the intricacies of seat distribution. While both parties express a willingness to collaborate, the final decision hinges on resolving differences over the number of seats each party would contest. Andhra Pradesh boasts 25 Lok Sabha and 175 Assembly seats, and the Bharatiya Janata Party is reportedly keen on contesting 8 to 10 parliamentary constituencies. However, the Bharatiya Janata Party might settle for 5 to 6 Lok Sabha seats if an alliance materializes, with the Pawan Kalyan-led Janata Party contesting 3 and the Telugu Desam Party retaining the remainder. Bharatiya Janata Party is reportedly seeking key constituencies including Vizag, Vijayawada, Araku, Rajampet, Rajmundry, Tirupati, and one additional location. It is projected that they may secure 4 to 6 seats, while Janasena might secure 3 seats, including Machilipatnam for Balasuri. The Janasena Party, a former NDA member, has already joined hands with the Telugu Desam Party and is actively urging the Bharatiya Janata Party to follow suit. Mr. Kalyan himself participated in the meeting with Mr. Shah. The Janasena Party has already been allotted 3 Lok Sabha and 24 Assembly seats. The Bharatiya Janata Party, eyeing the decisive victory in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, has been working towards expanding the NDA. With a target of winning 370 seats on its own and 400 with allies, the party sees partnering with regional parties aligned with its agenda as crucial for success. Besides Andhra Pradesh, the Bharatiya Janata Party is also expected to announce a poll pact with the Naveen Patnaik-led Biju Janata Dal in Odisha.